Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to make a lip vitiligo cover up. For him we have already done a patch test and it's got success. He's really happy with that output. So we are going to do the remaining places on his lip now. As you can see, the process is so smooth. We are trying to match his exact skin tone. So he's a little dusky skin tone person, so we cannot able to go ahead with the red color or pinkish tone, so we need to proceed with the same skin tone of his another side of the lip. So it needs to be little darker side, and the client requests us to go ahead with the much more darker colors, then they can get the exact output, because he thinks that once it's got healed it might get lighter. So in that way, if we done it little more better, it will give the much more great output. So in this video, as you are seeing, we are making a lip cover up. So the sides are going good. So whenever we do the lip vitiligo, we'll start from the sides and we'll bring it and match it on to the another side of the lips. In that way we can get the exact and smooth output. So there's not much of the swelling and much of the bleeding. It's all going good, and for him and now it's almost got healed, and the output was really great. The output is really great. It was matched with his exact skin tone and it's looking very beautiful. And as we all know, there is a lot of treatments available in the market, but it's the only treatment where you can get the exact solution of your exact skin color. Many of them, they do promise regarding this, but I don't think so how much it's going to give you the perfect output. But this is the one and only treatment you can get the best output, and we are getting clients from all over India and the world. So please book an appointment and then visit us. In that way we can provide you the proper and the good service to you. We are doing it as in the notion of to spread the awareness about the vitiligo and heal this vitiligo perfectly. In this treatment, you don't need to take any of the extra medicines or any of the surgeries. Nothing it's involved, and there's no side effects also especially. So this process gives the much more smooth and the great output. If you guys have any doubt, please do contact us. We have attached our contact number in the description. Please do contact us. Our team can help you out in a much more better way. So we are making the progress on the sides of the lips and in the central lips. So we are just keep trying to move from sides to the center. In that way we can achieve the much more greater output. So in this video itself you can get to know that how we are making the color filling on the melanin layers. Usually vitiligo clients, they'll start to lose the pigments on their melanin layer. That's the reason why the skin will start to become white patch. So now we are trying to provide the inks, artificial inks on that melanin layer. So in that way we can get the exact output of the skin color. So there's a small swelling also, it's there, but it's okay, it's smooth. It will start to heal much more better. So the swelling, it will takes approximately 2 to 3 days of the duration. It will get normal, so no need to worry about much about the swelling. As you all know, this process takes a month time to heal, and we recommend you to go ahead with the patch test first. And some of them thinks that while doing the treatment, if the inks goes inside the body, will that cause any of the infections or will that cause any of the side effects? Nothing. It's completely edible oil inks and it's skin friendly. You don't need to worry about it. If a person getting a treatment, if he or she swallows the ink, also no problem at all. It will not cause any of the side effects. It will get settled down perfectly. As you start to see, the process is getting much more closer to the lips, and we are started getting the output, and it's going on. In another time duration of 2 to 3 weeks, it will start to heal completely, but another 1 week or 2 weeks is going to be the cooling period time, so that we can achieve the exact output. So I hope you guys liked this video, and we are going to make this full process, and I will soon update the healed output of this picture in our Instagram page. Our Instagram page link is there in the description. Please do follow us to get the healed output of this vitiligo treatment. So I'm signing off, Suresh Machu. Don't die nude.